Understanding the phrase, mourn the loss. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a very expressive and emotional phrase in English, mourn the loss. This phrase is not just about understanding the words, but also about grasping the feelings and contexts behind it. So, let's dive in and learn together. Mourn the loss consists of two key words, mourn and loss. Mourning is a deep feeling of sadness, often associated with grieving over someone or something that is no longer with us. A loss refers to the act of losing someone or something valuable. Therefore, when put together, mourn the loss means to feel deep sadness or grief over a significant loss. This phrase is often used in emotional and serious contexts. You might hear it in news reports, especially those covering tragic events, during funerals or memorials, where people speak about their loved ones. In personal conversations, expressing sympathy or understanding someone's grief. Using the phrase correctly requires sensitivity to the situation. It's a way to acknowledge someone's pain and show empathy. Let's see how mourn the loss can be used in sentences. The community came together to mourn the loss of the historical building that burned down. After her cat passed away, she took time off work to mourn the loss. The novel explores themes of grief, as the protagonist learns to mourn the loss of his childhood innocence. In different cultures, mourning practices can vary greatly. Understanding this phrase also involves appreciating that mourning is a universal experience, but the ways people mourn can differ. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, mourn the loss, correctly. Remember, language is not just about words. It's also about emotions and cultural expressions. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.